In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion data to Google Sheets using all available methods. This will enable you to sync your information seamlessly and analyze your data more effectively. Whether you're working on a team project or managing your tasks, this integration will bring tremendous value by automating what used to be a manual data entry process. To start, what you'll want to do is navigate to Google Sheets. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Google Sheets URL. Once you've accessed your Google Sheets account, the first thing you're going to see is your spreadsheet interface. Now look towards the top menu bar and click on Add-ons. This is going to bring up a drop-down menu wherein you will see the option to Get Add-ons. Go ahead and select that. Now this will open up the Google Workspace Marketplace. Here, you'll see a variety of apps you can install. We need to find a specific add-on, so let's make use of the search functionality. Click on the search bar and type in Coefficient. Coefficient is the tool we need to connect Notion to Google Sheets due to its power and compatibility. When you found Coefficient Salesforce HubSpot Data Connector, go ahead and click on it. It's a versatile connector, great for handling data from Notion to Google Sheets and vice versa. Thanks to its two-way functionality, it emphasizes speed and efficiency, making sure you don't need any coding skills to get started. Upon clicking, you're prompted to see some specifications and descriptions about the Coefficient add-on. There's quite a bit of information to digest, but for now, focus on the Install button. By clicking Install, you'll be integrating this add-on directly into your Google Sheets. It's important to grant it the necessary permissions to access your sheet, enabling you to import and export data from various sources, including Notion. Once the installation is complete, head back to your Google Sheets and once again click on Add-ons. This time, locate Coefficient from your installed add-ons and click Import From. Here, you will see Notion listed among other options. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and select Notion. Now, you're going to need to authorize Coefficient to access your Notion account. This step is crucial because it allows for the seamless data integration we're aiming to achieve. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to authorize access. After authorization, you'll notice Notion data quickly syncs into your spreadsheet. And that's all there is to it. With Coefficient installed and linked to your Notion account, you're all set to synchronize your data efficiently. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and happy data managing!